class, welcome back to our online program from American Bridge International School with teacher again. So alright everyone, how are you this morning? Okay, teacher, hope all you guys are doing good. For me, I'm also fine. Alright everyone, how do you feel for today morning? Feel good, right? Okay, let's enjoy our online class together, okay? Alright, great job everyone. How was your sleep last night? Okay, it was good. Did you dream anything? No, right? Okay, just sleep well. Okay, great job everyone. Alright, so today is the new day to start our online class again. Can you tell me what day is today? Correct, today is Wednesday. Okay, today is Wednesday. So every Wednesday we always study about tree house 1 for the first session and art in the second session, right? Excellent everyone. Okay, do you remember what did we learn yesterday everyone? Yes, from our Tuesday lesson, what did you learn? Correct, you have learned about let's learn. Okay, let's learn that talking about all the vehicles that that used in the right way or the right place, right? Okay, like helicopter or airplane, we need to fly in the in the air. And what about the boat? Yes, the boat, we drive the boat in the water, correct. What about what about car? Yes, car, we drive car or bus on land. Great job everyone. Alright, so today we're gonna move to another page. Do you know what page is it? Correct. Today we are going to study about values on page 117, as you can see on the whiteboard. Okay, so this is values. Okay everyone, so now please open your tree house textbook on page 117 together. You will see values. Excellent everyone. So today we're gonna learn about values. Okay, they're talking about be safe. Okay, be safe. Do you know be safe? Excellent everyone. Alright, which means that you always stay safe, right? Like teacher always tell all of you that stay at home is stay safe, right? Excellent everyone. Alright, so here is stay safe everyone. Are you on page 117? Excellent everyone. Okay, tell me, what do you see in the picture everyone? Okay, great job. In this we have different pictures, right? Okay, so there are two pictures that different from each other. The first one is about a girl wearing a life jacket, right? Okay, what about the second one? The second one is a boy. What? Yes, a boy is on the bike, right? Maybe he start to ride a bike, right? Excellent everyone. Alright, so when we're talking about be safe, make sure you all stay safe when you on the way or travel, right? Excellent everyone. Okay, so now teacher have something for you, in order to make or keep you safe. Let's see together everyone. Okay, so please read it together with teacher. Okay, start from Wednesday, correct? June 16, 2021. Tree house 1. Values 1. Bike helmet. Bike helmet. Bike helmet. 2. Life jacket. Life jacket. Life jacket. 3. Seat belt. Seat belt. Seat belt. 4. Be safe. Be safe. Be safe. Excellent everyone. One more time. 1. Bike helmet. Good. 2. Life jacket. Great job. 3. Seat belt. Excellent. 4. Be safe. Excellent everyone. Do you know what is bike helmet? Okay, let's see here. This is bike helmet. Okay, bike helmet we used to wear when we ride a bike to protect our head. As you can see here, a girl is wearing a cute bike helmet to protect her her head when she ride a bike and accidentally she fall down from the bike, so it can protect her head, right? Okay, excellent everyone. So remember, when you ride a bike, you need to wear bike helmet to protect your head. Or when you drive a motorbike also, yes, with your mom, with your dad, you need to wear helmet also, right? Excellent everyone. Okay, so this is bike helmet. Bike helmet. Excellent everyone. What about the second one is, yes, life jacket. Life jacket. As you can see, this is a cute jacket, and yes, she is wearing life jacket to protect her life when she is on the boat, or when you are on the boat, you need to wear life jacket, right? Okay, make sure you are safe. Alright, great job everyone. Life jacket. Life jacket. Excellent everyone. And the third one is seat belt. Okay, seat belt. So as you can see, this is a boy, yes, in the car wearing seat belt to protect him from any traffic accident, right? Okay, good. So as you can see here, yes, seat belt. So when you are in the car, you need to wear, yes, seat belt. Okay everyone, you don't need to wear helmet, but you need to wear seat belt. Okay, excellent everyone. All right, seat belt. Seat belt. Excellent. And the last one is be safe. Okay everyone, be safe. So in order to be safe, you need to follow all of this. Wear bike helmet when you ride a bike, or wear helmet when you ride motorbike, right? Okay, and wear life jacket when you are on the boat, on the ship, something like that, right? Excellent. And the last one, wear seat belt to protect you from any accident while you are in the car. Great job everyone. Again, so let's see here. One is bike helmet. 2 is life jacket. 3 is seat belt. 4 is be safe. Excellent everyone. Okay, you can read it well, right? Great job. Now move back to our tree house textbook on page 117. As you can see, there are two pictures that different from each other. So now time to match with happy face and sad face. So which one is happy face everyone? The first picture or the second picture? Correct. The first picture, because she wear life jackets when she's travel, right? Okay, great job everyone. So now we match to happy face. Okay, what about sad face? Yes, we match to a boy that he doesn't wear helmet, bike helmet when he is riding the bike, right? So it's not good. So be safe. You need to protect your head or your life, right? Like wear helmet, something like that. Okay, excellent everyone. All right, now you already matched, right? Excellent everyone. Okay, so now our first session is finished everyone. See you guys in the second session with our art subject. Goodbye everyone.